President, the good gentleman from Cavite would like to interject.
With the permission of the Deputy Minority Leader,
Yes, Mr. President.
Senator Lacson is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. With the permission of the gentleman from San Juan and the distinguished lady from Iloilo, what you're trying to... my question first, Mr. President, is at what point during the budget deliberations of the 2025 budget was the 74 billion realigned to other items from the PhilHealth funds? BICAM, House version, or Senate version?
Your Honor, Mr. President, sa House version po, nandun po, pero mas nabawasan sa atin ng konti, bahagya. Pero doon po sa BICAM talagang nawala.
Mas malaki. How much was realigned in the House version? And how much was realigned under the Senate version? And how much was realigned in the BICAM?
From what I remember, Your Honor, Mr. President, doon sa Senate version, nasa 43 billion pa, no?
Ang na-realign.
Ang natira.
Ang natira.
Tapos
out of
nung
74 billion.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. President. Tapos nung BICAM, doon nga lang po na nawala na talaga.
Okay. So, yung GAA is a general law. Correct.
That is correct.
And sin tax law is a special law.
That is correct.
And any lawyer will tell you, or any member of Congress will tell you that a general law cannot amend a special law.
That is correct, Your Honor, Mr.
In
President.
other words, what the Senate did and what the House did was illegal.
Your Honor, Mr. President, that's already nasa subject na po yun siguro
Alam
sa
ko
Supreme
po,
Court.
tinatanong ko lang. Alam ko nasa Supreme Court. And we're just discussing, dapat alam natin, hindi natin pinayagan kasi alam nating the GAA, being a general law, cannot amend a special law, which is the sin tax law.
That is correct, Your Honor, Mr.
Kasi
President.
naka-earmark yan under the sin tax law.
Tama po. Yung
So bakit nakalusot po sa Senate?
Yung syntax law at yung sa PCSO, sa PAGCOR, lahat po yun ay naka-earmark dapat talaga.
Yun nga ang tanong ko po. Paano nakalusot ito sa House? May mga abogado ron. Sa Senate, may mga abogado. Paano po nakalusot na effectively inamend ng GAA yung special law?
Yun nga po, Mr. President.
You may not answer, Mr. President. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Senator Lacson.
Salamat, Mr. President. By way of closing my brief interpellation sa good gentleman from San Juan, dalawang punto po. Una, importante po yung pinoint out ng good gentleman from Cavite. At yun po yung isang dahilan na kasama ng dating minority leader na si dating Senador Coco Pimentel. Nag-manifest po ako nung BICAM, nung nakaraang budget debates na hindi ko pipirmahan yung BICAM version dahil effectively dinifund ang PhilHealth. Despite the fact, tulad ng pinaalala ng good gentleman from San Juan kanina lamang, yan po ay amounts na earmark. Earmark po ng batas tungkol sa buwis, earmark po mula sa mga government-owned and controlled corporations. And pangalawa po, Mr. President, muli kaya po importanteng constitute at makonvene muli yung Joint Congressional Oversight Committee sa Universal Healthcare Law para iwasto, no, yung mga mali noon, punuin yung mga gaps para hindi po paurong kundi pasulong yung implementasyon natin ng UHC. Yung nabanggit po ng good gentleman from Cavite and San Juan, yan nga po yung kaso na nasa Korte Suprema pa. At sana po kung maagang magkaroon ng ruling dyan at hari nawa alang-alang sa DOH at PhilHealth, mas maaga nang maibalik ng executive yung pondong iyan sa PhilHealth para hindi na kailanganin pa ng Kongreso mag-appropriate parang muli ng 74 billion pesos na yan na talaga namang by laws ay earmark para sa PhilHealth. Maraming salamat sa good gentleman mula sa San Juan. Salamat po, Mr. President.